Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by readying both devices, unlock developer options on your Pixel, and enable USB debugging so the PC can trust it. Plug the phone into a USB 3.0 port using a good USB-C cable, because cheap cables often only charge. On Windows, install the Google USB driver or run Windows Update to fetch drivers. On Mac OS, you usually don't need drivers. Once done, watch for the authorization prompt on the phone and tap Allow so the PC gains secure ADB access. Once the phone is authorized, confirm the link. Open a terminal and run a DB devices to see your Pixel listed, or switch the phone's USB mode to file transfer to access files directly. For advanced control, use ADB commands for backups, debugging, or sideloading. This works because ADB speaks to Android over the authorized USB channel. If you need to mirror the screen, run SCRCPY on the PC. It streams video and accepts input, letting you control the phone from your keyboard and mouse. To finish, transfer any files, then safely eject MTP on the PC before unplugging to prevent corruption. If something goes wrong, try a different USB-C cable or port, toggle USB debugging off and back on, and reinstall drivers. These steps resolve most driver or authorization issues because they reset the handshake. As one key troubleshooting tip, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reconnect to force a fresh permission prompt. This often clears stale keys and restores proper connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.